federal charges of violating his neighbor's civil rights. The Bay Area's BIN 910 and on the iHeartRadio app.
23andMe's African American Genetics Project study revealed that 48% of Black Americans wish to learn more about their genetic history. What's more, the insights gained from DNA collected by 23andMe can be used for research programs that are valuable to the Black community. We asked 23andMe's Chief Privacy Officer, Jackie Cook, how that DNA data is used and why it's secure.
This research program is overseen by a third-party independent review board, and that ensures that our program complies with federal rules that regulate human subject research. And, our customers, by participating, they answer online survey questions, and that enables our scientists to be able to analyze that information together with an individual's genetic information to make new scientific discoveries. And over 80% of our customers choose to participate. Since 2010, we've published over 200 papers with scientific discoveries from our research program.
To learn more about DNA privacy policies, visit 23andme.com. 23andMe is a proud founding partner of the Black Information Network.
A special thank you to Lowe's Home Improvement,
a proud founding partner who shares and supports the mission of the Black Information Network.
Hello, I'm Vanessa Tyler, and this is Geico's Generational Storytime on the Black Information Network. How has the nature of our work and careers changed over the past few decades? I'm here with the Ross Barry family to discuss just that. With me is 73-year-old Grandma Marilyn, her 47-year-old daughter Celeste, and her granddaughter Alexis, who is 20. Marilyn, when you were young, you chose a career and stuck with it, right?
That's exactly what happened. And I come from that 30-year, you work and you get your gold watch. And it was good to know that you were going to work, you were going to have a pension, you were going to have a little investment, buy your home, your car, educate your children, one place.
And how about you, Celeste? Was it a nudge from your mom that made you choose a career in education?
Well, truthfully, I never wanted to be in education. And then life happened. I got pregnant with Alexis. I would work long hours as a financial analyst. And Mommy said, that baby's coming, you better teach. That baby's coming, you need your summers. But when I walked into the classroom, it was like second nature. I never second-guessed myself. I felt like, this is what I should have been doing the entire time.
Alexis, you're currently studying at Howard University. Do you think careers will be different when you enter the workforce?
Yeah, I do not think it's the 9 to 5 now. With the pandemic, it's shaped our lives differently, and I feel like a lot of times people are able to be creative and not be a consumer in a sense and just kind of find what works for them, because I feel like it's a digital age now.
Join us every month for Geico's Generational